The lead is taken by Karangalan from the outside, and by the rail is Rio Grande, Kakadoodle, and Polka Dot Bikini. Entry number 5, that is Senor Patrick, and Just Wild is bringing up the rear. Rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Kakadoodle, followed by Karangalan on the outside in second. And by the rail in third is Rio Grande. Polka Dot Bikini running in fourth on the outside, and moving up now is Just Wild and Senor Patrick. The last bend for home, it is still entry number 1, Kakadoodle in the lead, followed by Karangalan on the outside and Polka Dot Bikini on the inside. But it's still Kakadoodle in the lead, followed by Polka Dot Bikini, by the rail, Karangalan and Just Wild. Nearing the pair plan is still entry number 1, and that is Kakadoodle, and finally it's Kakadoodle, Polka Dot Bikini, Karangalan, Just Wild, Senor Patrick, and Rio Grande.